Restoration through union with Christ. For as in Adam all die, so also in Christ shall all be made alive. 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 22. Theological significance. Humanity's fall came through Adam, but restoration comes through Christ, the last Adam. The doctrine of union with Christ teaches that believers share in his death, resurrection, righteousness, and future glory. Life application. Your ultimate hope is not self-improvement but participation in Christ's victory over sin and death.